Stop thinking your dog is sick, they're just having fun. Yep, your dog's sneezes during playtime are actually a way to communicate. It's called a play sneeze. When your pup is having a blast, they sneeze to signal that everything is friendly and fun. Think of it like their way of saying, hey, I'm just goofing around. This is super common when dogs are wrestling or doing zoomers. So next time your furry friend sneezes while chasing a ball or playing tug of war, don't worry, they're just showing you they're enjoying themselves and that it's all in good fun. Remember, a sneeze in playtime means your dog is happy and excited. Pretty cool, right? So let the games continue and enjoy those adorable play sneezes.